Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change the format of your video on the InVideo application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the projects button down below, which is the first option, and then click on your video that you want to edit. After that, slide to the right side of the screen down below and click on format, and here you can select from these preset options. As you can see, you have 5 options that you can choose from, and as you tap on each of them you can check out how they look like. So select the one that you prefer and suits your preferences, and then you are done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.